How to update your email address on Upwork. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using Upwork and want to change the email address connected to your account, firstly, open the Upwork application or visit the Upwork website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in from the main homepage, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now in the expanded menu, click Settings. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Contact Info. Inside Contact Info, tap on the pencil button right next to Account. Now, go ahead and enter the new email you want to change to in the Email tab. Once you do that, click on Update. Now, on the next page, you'll need to go ahead and enter your Upwork account's password to confirm. Go ahead and enter your password and tap on Continue at the bottom right. And now your email change request will be seen on the screen. You'll receive a verification code sent to you via your email. Go ahead and check your email inbox and follow through the instructions and your email address will be changed. If you want to cancel your change request, you can go ahead and tap on this little cancel change request button if you want to cancel your request. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.